Therapy for atopic dermatitis include emollients, topical steroids, tacrolimus, and pimecrolimus. True or false? Okay, true. Aside from the stress and the cold, they also use more harsh soap sometimes, no, with the hotel. Kaya pagbalik nila, eczema. Style, atopic dermatitis is characterized by patches and plaques on the face, neck, and extensor surfaces, while childhood and adolescent atopic dermatitis show involvement of flexural skin or anticuticle and popliteal areas. True or false? True! You know. Okay. Next. Patients with atopic mapula at makating-anit ang mukha. What is this? Very good. Okay, ang dami mo na. Okay, this one. 50-year-old female with headache and painful vesicles of the face. Very good.